Hello students, welcome once again, and this time we are still looking at common mistake made by students. Now we have x plus y, then in a bracket all to the power squared. So we have, let's expand this. So expanding this, we have s will take the square, then plus, then y also takes the square. So this is just an expansion, but let's look at if this is right. So let's take s for x being equal to 1, then y being equal to 2. No, so if s is 1, then we have 1 plus 2 squared being equal to, over here we have 1 squared, then y 2 squared. So we have 3 squared here being equal to 1 plus 4. So we have 3 squared is just 9. Then over here we have just 5. So we have 9 equal to 5, which means that they are not the same. So which means that this expansion here is not equal to that. So this expansion here is not the right expansion. So the right expansion is just doing s plus y, then s plus y. So when you expand all of this, you are just going to get s squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So this is the right thing. Now let's look at this. So in a solving this, we have the square root of x, then plus the square root of y. Now the question is it the right thing? So let's take for x equal to 1, then y being equal to 2. Then we have 1 plus 2 being equal to the square root of 1 plus y here, the square root of 2. So we have square root of 3, then we have 1 plus the square root of 2. Now in decimal, when you do this, we are going to get 1.73 being equal to 2.41, which they are not the same. So which means that this expansion here is not the right thing. The only thing you can expand over here, maybe you can write it this way, then half. Yeah, so this is not the right expansion, right? Okay, so let's look at this here, the expansion of this. So in expanding this, we just take 1 over x. So 1 over x plus 1 over y, right? So over here, if s is 1, then y equal to 2. Then we have over here x is 1 plus 2 here being equal to 1 over 1 here plus 1 over 2 here. So we have 1 over 3 here being equal to we have 3 over 2. So you can see that they are not the same. 1 over 3, 3 over 2. So which means that they are not the same, and that is not the right thing we should do. All right. So over here too, we have cos s plus y. So we have the cos of x here plus the cos of y, right? So if s equal to 1, y equal to 2, then we have the cos of 1 plus y is 2 being equal to the cos of 1 here plus the cos of 2. So now we have the cos of 3, cos 3, then we have cos 1 plus cos 2 here. So still cos 1 plus cos 2 here. Now cos 3 is just negative 0.990. Then we have 0.124 that. So you can see that over here too, they are not the same, and this is not equal to that. So that is also a mistake. It's a mistake, and that's the common mistake students make. I hope this section was helpful. Thank you very much for joining me in this section, and I'll see you in another section.